Hello, good morning, happy Thanksgiving. Today we are going to make a pumpkin pie for you. I open the pumpkin and with skin but without seeds I put in my oven and 180 degrees, I think half an hour. Oh, and now we start with the pie crust. Flour, cold butter, and salt. Now you work very fast. And when the butter it's totally broken with flour, you put inside cold water, little by little. Now my pasta is ready. I work a little bit with some flour on the table. Now we cover with cellophane and put 1 or 2 hours, it's best, in the fridge. Oh, now we make the filling. We blend the pumpkin. Now I put the 2 kinds of sugar in the whipping cream. Now the eggs. Or 2. Melted butter. And now cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. Now I put in my pumpkin and it's ready. Now we roll out the crust. You roll for cut. And we put inside the filling. Et voilà. 1 hour, 160 degrees. Prendi solo sotto.